It's easier than you think to live to your potential, and I don't want you to miss out on this because I know how much it sucks to be frozen by fear or things that just get in the way. I don't think I'm perfect in life at all, but I've been able to apply a few things which I'm about to talk about, which helped me so much to go from always being stagnant in life and just staying how I am to making change and seeing progress in my life. And the first thing I want to talk about is one mindset which really helps me a lot, and that's the mindset you'll cross that bridge when you come to it. So, not worrying about things that are going to happen in the future, but only focusing on your present moment. You'll figure out what to say, what to do, how to act when you are in that current moment. So don't be trapped by overthinking, just think whatever you're thinking about. If it's like some math test or you're seeing someone and you don't know how to act, anything like that, you'll cross that bridge when you come to it. You'll figure out what to do in that exact situation. The next thing which helped me live so much more in life was to stop, first of all, letting fear control me, but also to take risks, because even if I fail, it's completely fine. If you were 38 failures away from getting success, how fast would you want to fail? How fast would you want to mess up? How fast would you be willing to go out there and try stuff? That's basically what failing is. You learn the most from your failures. You can only grow from taking risks. You either learn something from it or you get the thing that you want. And even if you do take a risk and it doesn't go your exact way, you're pretty much going to end up as the same person as you are anyway. Like, for example, if you have a job, you take a risk to start a business, but it doesn't do that well, okay, you'll just go back to your job. Like, okay, at least you tried it, at least you learned something from it. I really want you to think about these things before you just go off to watching the next video, because if you can apply these things, if you can think about these things more, I truly believe it'll help you more. It helped me a lot more with, for example, just growing this YouTube channel when I had 0 subscribers for the longest amount of time. Whether it's getting a better physique, whether it's going to the gym more consistently, whether it's making more money, whatever it is, there's so many mosquitoes and it's annoying me. But the last thing I want you to understand is that nobody's perfect. I have a lot of flaws, everyone does, but that's fine. If you can not worry about being a perfectionist, but worry about trying, you will get so much further in life. And another thing about trying to be perfect, don't wait for the perfect opportunity. I'm not gonna wait to make a video if it's like bright skies, if it's not raining at all, if there's no mosquitoes, if I feel completely comfortable. I'm just gonna make a video when I have the time to. I'm not gonna let the outside influences or whether I feel the best way or not stop me from making a video, from making progress into the life that I wanna live. I don't wanna let other people, other things, other factors dictate how I live my life and if I reach my goals or not. So I want to do what I want to do, make progress to my goals, start small, and start achieving stuff. Starting. It's never going to be 100% perfect, but that's okay, because if you realize this, you can be able to start whenever and start growing a lot more to the point where it feels like it kind of is perfect. I really enjoyed having these few minutes to talk with you. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to this channel. It's free. It'll really mean a lot. Also, you can join the free community in the description, and there's hundreds of like-minded people and they're all trying to get better, share ideas, grow. But there's also the screen time challenge I have. If you want to stop watching so many videos, stop scrolling, and start doing more things in your life, check that out too. Hope you have a great day. Please think about this. I'll see you.